The XTOOL D9S Pro from Aliexpress represents a pinnacle of automotive diagnostic technology, combining comprehensive system diagnostics, advanced ECU programming, powerful key programming capabilities, and intuitive topology mapping into a single, user-friendly device. Whether you're managing a professional workshop or maintaining your personal vehicle, this tool empowers you to diagnose, program, and optimize vehicle performance with unmatched precision and efficiency. For BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Volkswagen, and other compatible vehicles, the XTOOL D9S Pro offers advanced ECU programming capabilities. Whether you need to replace existing software, firmware, or program new ECUs, this tool facilitates software-controlled adjustments to enhance driving performance and address emission issues effectively. Unlocking its potential further, the XTOOL D9S Pro supports comprehensive key programming tasks. From reading PIN codes and adding new keys fob, smart to remote learning and key matching, it handles diverse key-related challenges with ease. Even in scenarios where all keys are lost, this tool proves invaluable in re-establishing vehicle access and security. A standout feature of the XTOOL D9S Pro is its intelligent topology map module, providing a clear visualization of the communication structure within your vehicle. This intuitive tool accelerates diagnosis by presenting a comprehensive overview of system connections, helping identify issues swiftly and accurately. Equipped with Android 10 OS, a 9.7-inch touchscreen, and powered by a robust 6400 mAh 7.2 volts battery, the XTOOL D9S Pro ensures a seamless user experience. Its 4GB RAM and 1 to 8GB ROM capacity support smooth operation and storage of extensive diagnostic data. The device supports wireless Wi-Fi connectivity, enabling convenient updates and data sharing.